I'm dying to open this thing. I got it this morning. It's now late night, and I've been busy today, so I haven't had a chance to open it yet, and I wanted to film this unboxing for you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Tyler, and in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the DJI's Mavic Air 2. A little over 2 weeks ago, DJI announced on April 27th that they would be releasing the Mavic Air 2, and I finally got mine in the mail today. So I was actually supposed to receive it tomorrow, but I actually ended up getting it a day early. Truth be told, I don't even remember if I ordered the drone or if I got the Fly More kit. I was trying to decide between the Fly More kit or just the regular drone. So the drone itself is priced at $7.99, I believe, and the Fly More kit at $9.89 or something like that. It's about a $200 difference. And a lot of the accessories were selling out quick, so I didn't know if I should go for the Fly More kit or just stick with the drone at the $7.99 price point. So join me in unboxing this and discovering what the heck I bought. Alright, let's get this thing opened up. So, these things actually scare me. When I was, I think it must have been 9 or 10, my parents bought me a Swiss Army knife, you know, those ones that have like the scissors and the ruler and like a pencil in it and all that weird stuff. Yeah, so I got that for my birthday, I think, and I actually almost sliced my entire thumb off and had to go to the hospital and get stitches, so, you know, c'est la vie. So anyways, let's get this opened up. Ugh. I'm gonna hurt myself. Alright, I'm so excited. I really shouldn't be trusted with a knife. Ooh. Alright, gotta need that. Ooh. So I did get the Fly More combo, which makes sense. I just like having the extra 2 batteries, and I think this came with some filters. Never used a filter on a drone before, so that seemed kind of interesting. And it comes with the case. So here, let me show you. These are all the things that come in the Fly More kit, or the Fly More combo, I should say. And yeah, let's take a closer look. Open this up again. Where should I get this? I have no idea. Alright, wish me luck. So despite being new to droning or drone photography, drone video, like I said, this is my second drone now. I'm feeling really grateful to have a second drone, and I'm really pumped to take this out and try it. Some upgraded features like Active Track 3, which I'm really curious to try, and interested in the controller redesign. So yeah, how does this thing open? To be chopped open. Alright. To use those muscles. Oh my god! Ooh, there we go. Woo! Nice. So it looks like everything's already been packed into this pouch. Ooh. Alright, so let's put the box aside. We need that too. Alright, there we go. Alright, so here's the pouch. It's got a shoulder strap. It's compact, but it ain't that cute, so let's see I really like the case that the Mavic Mini came in. It was super sturdy and more of a little box. I thought that was super fun. Alright, let's see how this thing opens up. Alright, the Flymore combo comes with quite a lot. So it comes with the case, it comes with a whole bunch of cables, and it then comes with all of this stuff as well. So as you can see, there's quite a lot here. I'm really curious about these lenses. If you know what these do, please comment below and let me know. Now, just picking this thing up and looking at it, feeling it, at first glance, this doesn't feel like a toy. The DJI Mavic Mini, it does kind of feel like a toy. This feels really sort of hefty and sturdy and feels really good. So I'm super excited to take this on the flight. Alright, so now that we've unboxed the whole thing, let's get this assembled and ready for flight. You do need to have the DJI Fly app installed on your phone. It is the same app that you use for the Mavic Mini, so I have that already installed. Alright, so now that I have this all set up, I'm going to turn on the drone. So the same thing, one short press followed by one long press. Oh, there we go. Alright, so now we should be able to connect to the aircraft. It looks like there needs to be a firmware update. It says firmware update required. You can see here 177.6 megabytes. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for checking out this unboxing of the Mavic Air 2. I'm really looking forward to bringing some really cool footage to my channel in the near future, so stay tuned for that. Alright, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are interested in similar videos to this one, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Alright, have a great night.